Welcome to the Bluebeam Revu tutorial by Brighter Graphics. In this video, we will see how to use the recently introduced feature, the Markup Selection Cycle in Revu 21.4. Let's see this new feature in action. After opening Revu 21 on your desktop, go to the File menu and open a PDF with multiple overlapping markups. If your review is up to date, hovering over overlapping markups and holding Shift brings up the Markup Selection Cycle pop-up. You can now hold the Shift key and press the spacebar to easily maneuver through and select your desired markup, or simply click to select with your cursor. Once the desired markup is selected, you can right-click over it to access the menu for more options or edit it from the Markup toolbar. You can also use the Select tool and click and drag around desired markups to select multiple ones. Before the Markup Selection Cycle, selecting overlapping markups was confusing and often led to mistakes. Now, just hold Shift and click to choose the right one, streamlining your workflow. This is it for today. For more Bluebeam tips and tricks, stay connected with Brighter Graphics, your go-to partner for all things Bluebeam.